Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken shawarma salad, full guide. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and prepare a bold spice mix for the chicken. Pat chicken dry, coat evenly and roast until internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. While chicken rests, chop crisp romaine, cucumbers, tomatoes, and herbs. Toss with a bright lemon tahini dressing and sliced chicken, then finish with pickles, olives, and a sprinkle of sumac. In this video, I will show how to make chicken shawarma salad, full guide. Make a marinade with garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. Rub the paste over chicken pieces, pressing it into the scored surfaces. Cover and chill to let acids and spices tenderize the meat. When ready, remove from fridge, bring to room temperature, and roast or pan-sear for even caramelization and juicy results. In this video, I will show how to make chicken shawarma salad, full guide. Prepare a creamy lemon tahini dressing and adjust thickness with water. Chop crisp greens and juicy vegetables to create a bright bed for the chicken. Slice the rested chicken against the grain for tender bites and arrange over the salad. Drizzle dressing generously, add pickles or olives for acidity, and finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or sumac for authentic aroma and contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.